Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will solve 7 challenge from general skills category of Pico CTF. Its name is KSECRETS. It carries 100 points and I see it has lesser solves compared to other challenges. Let's see, 696 solves. So we have a Kubernetes cluster setup and flag is in the secrets. You think you can get it? Additional details will be available. Okay, so let's launch the instance. Let's see, it has very less solves. Okay, please wait for a minute until the application is configured. Kubernetes is running at greenhill.picoctf net at this port. Okay, you can find your configuration file here. Okay, meanwhile let's download that. Just clear this. Okay, so we can use wget to get our file. Let's see what's inside kubeconfig. Okay, so we have certificate and everything. Okay, so now the server must be configured by now. So let's see. So we have our Kubernetes configuration file here. We have certificate authority data, then client certificate data, and then the server and everything. So now notice here you can see the server is listed as local host, whereas the description says it is running at this particular server. So let's see if we can change this. I don't know if nano is here. I particularly like nano only. Yeah, it is there. Let's change that. We will point it to this one. Let's copy this, paste this, so remove these spaces. Yeah, it should work now. Now to work with Kubernetes, there is a command line tool called kubectl. You can see all the flag options are here. You can read more about that. So kubectl controls the Kubernetes cluster manager. Okay, so these are all the commands. So basically we will be using kubectl whenever we are working with clusters and all. Okay, so let's see what we can do. So first of all, kubectl. So now we have our kube configuration file. So we can simply use that file to get the data. So for that we can use kubeconfig equal to our kubeconfig file, like when the full path wherever it is. So it is in current directory only. And after that we can use get. Now what we want to get first, let's see if we can get the namespaces. So namespaces in simple terms are like folders which contain all the resources of. So let's see. Okay, it says get current server API list. The server rejected our request for an unknown reason. Okay, let me see. If our server is changed. Okay, yeah, it is changed here. Let me see by giving the full path. Maybe we need to give the HTTPS there. Okay, let's try editing that again. Sorry, wrong command. Yeah, save. Now let's see if this works. Okay, so this time we have got another error, failed to verify the certificate. Okay, So it is not able to verify the SSL/TLS certificate, because usually in CTF environments there are self-signed certificates. So a very easy flag to bypass this is like we can just tell it to ignore that. So it's insecure skip TLS verify. So we are just telling it to don't validate the SSL TLS certificate. Now let's see if it works. So now you can see we got our namespaces, which is default, kube node lease, kube public, kube system, and Pico CTF. Okay, so now our objective was to get the secrets. So instead of get namespaces, we can use get secrets, and we can give the namespace. So we want to check in Pico CTF. Otherwise, you can also use double hyphen all hyphen namespaces to check secrets in all the namespaces. So let's see. So you can see there is a secret called Pico CTF secret, and which is of opaque type. Now we need to dump this secret. Then we need to give the secret name, which is CTF secret. Okay, wait. We will get it in YAML format. So you can see we can see the content of the ctf.secret. There is under the data section, you can see there is one flag, and it is encoded. So these are mostly encoded in base 64 format. So we need to decode this, and decoding this will probably give our flag. So we can directly use base 64. Okay, it wasn't copied. Yeah, so we can use base 64 decode, and it should give the flag. So you can see this is our flag. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in another video with another walkthrough.